how to use crypto.com exchange lending and apply for a loan. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to use crypto.com exchange app for lending and apply for the loans. So I'll be guiding you through the process of using crypto.com exchange lending and applying for a loan via the app. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. And unfortunately, I have to let you know that I'm unable to show you the procedure because of the security concern. As the following application isn't available in my region, I'm just gonna go ahead and instruct you. So first thing, you have to go ahead and log into your account. When you're logged in, then you need to go to your home page, and from the home page you could go ahead and tap on finance at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do that, you need to select the lending from the options, then review the eligibility criteria for applying for a loan. Ensure you meet the requirements such as having sufficient collaterals, all that. Select the cryptocurrency you want to use as collaterals and enter the amount of loan you wish to take. Then you need to review the loan to value, ratio, interest rate and loan terms. After you've done that, you need to confirm the loan details and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on apply button, complete any additional verification steps requirements and wait for the loan approval, which is typically processed quickly. Review the loan amount in your crypto.com account, and once you've done that, you need to go to the lending section in the app to review and manage your loan. And once you've done that, you can make the repayments. Then you could go and make a repayment as required to avoid liquidifications of your collaterals. So that is how you could go ahead and use the crypto.com exchange lending and a loan. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.